Okay, today is a nice day. It's the first day I'm going to go and test out the Nikola 84 volt after I changed the inner shell, outer shell, the motherboard. The motherboard is now on the right hand side at the bottom here. It is in a vertical position. I had to do some resoldering of wires that were too short, and the main motherboard had XT90 connector, XT60 connector, but coming out of the battery was XT90, so I had to change that and a few other soldering jobs. So now we're gonna go and see if it's gonna work or fail. Alright. We'll try this little short. It's about 30-degree incline. That's my 90 amp alarm. Let's go to this little playground and see what happens. That was my 28-mile-an-hour alarm. When it gets to about that, I don't know why, I wobble like a sandwich on this wheel. I have noticed this new motherboard, it may be in my head, but it seems that the acceleration is better than the old board, but it may all be in my head. I'm pleased with it. I don't notice any odd things, and obviously longevity is going to be the test to see if my solders were good. If I didn't do good soldering job, if I made cold solders, then only time will show if the wire breaks. Let's see what the average temperature was. 101. Yeah, so 101.2 was the hottest over the past hour, and I started at 73.2. Maximum speed 29.9, 30 miles. That's when I got the alarm. I started at 70%, did 7.2 miles. The discharge 11% actually for 7 miles, and the temperature right now here is 50 degrees. So slightly more battery usage during cold weather, which we all know that. But overall, I'm pleased with the change, with the upgrade.